Hello, this is a video on completing questions involving Venn diagrams. You've got a chance to pause and try the question yourself. And then you can see my solution and check your answers. If you're not sure, you can just watch me talk through the question. Okay, in this question we've got the numbers 1 to 16. Circle A here is all the numbers that are multiples of 3. B contains numbers that are multiples of 5. We've got an intersection for both and outside if it's none. So let's go through them. 1 isn't a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5, so it goes on the outside. 2 is not a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5. 3 is a multiple of 3, so I'll put it in A. 4 goes on the outside. Now, if you think you've got it, pause it and try and complete it. If not, just watch and listen, and hopefully this will make sense. Well, 5 is a multiple of 5. 6 is a multiple of 3. 7, we can stick that on the outside. 8 on the outside. 9, yep, that's right, it's a multiple of 3. 10, well, 10 is a multiple of 5. 2 5s are 10, so I can put that in the B circle. 11 goes on the outside. 12 is a multiple of 3, so it goes in the A. 13 on the outside. 14 on the outside. Now 15 is a bit special. It's in the 3 times table and the 5 times table, so it's a multiple of both. So I put that in the intersection. So 15. Now 16 just goes on the outside, so there you go. You've got numbers that are in the 3 times table, which are in this bit here, numbers which are in the 5 times table, and numbers here which are in the 3 and the 5 times table. And we're showing this in a Venn diagram. I hope that's clear. Okay, here's a question on interpreting, reading out a Venn diagram and seeing what it's all about. Again, you can pause this and have a go if you wish. At a wedding, the guests may have ice cream or custard with their dessert. The Venn diagram shows information about the choices the guests made. So there's 13 on the outside, they didn't have any. 51, just ice cream. 9, ice cream and custard, because that's the intersection, that means both. 34, that's just custard. Let's look at the questions. How many guests had custards? Well, you've got the 9 who had both, add the 34 who just had custard, so that means 43. 43 had custard. We include those who had both and had just custard. How many guests had ice cream and custard? Well, that's in the intersection, both, so that's 9. How many guests went to the wedding? We add them all up. 13, add 51, add 9, add 34. So that, add them all up, you got 64, 73, 103, I think 107 people altogether. Okay. Well, I hope that's clear, and I hope that's given you a bit more confidence in understanding a Venn diagram.